Take him, boy.
The moment is brought to you by Recreations Taxidermy. Go be heat, stay warm, always. Greener Living Products. And Highway Mart Archery Shop and Western Wear.
Good morning, everyone.
Alright, we're out here with Muck Simons, with Oliver's and Muck Simons, and Blair Mitchell with Blair Mitchell.
The legend.
And yeah, we got a good field today. What did you guys find yesterday?
We found this wheat field. Been watching for 4 or 5 days. They've been feeding good, filling in. 800 to 900 birds here last night with some cranes and snows and ducks and big Canada, so it should be a good day. It's overcast and cloudy. Just waiting for their hunting partner. We're gonna get in the blinds and wait for the birds.
We got kind of a southeast wind, so we set up this spread. We got a U formation out in front of us with the wind coming at our back, so hopefully they'll swing behind us and land right in our faces.
Should be epic. You got an elk.
I got an elk, so this hunt doesn't even matter.
Sponsored by Can-Am 6x6, the best machine to bring a big bull elk out.
That's not true.
It
Don't listen to
overheats.
that. See you guys. Fetch him up.
Look at how dangerous geese can be.
That a baby muck?
4 stones. It's rain. Woo! You like that, eh? Cracking smiles and making pounds, baby. Yeah. Take them.
Right here, guys. Well, the good thing is I got it on video.
The goose whisperer.
Yeah, baby.
Don't break her off.
I'm
yet,
not.
though. That's a nice bird. You might even mount it. That's a big band. On boys.
Yes.
Facebook Live. Yeah. First banded bird.
And you were just saying you kill 4,000 birds in your outfit and not find one.
Yeah.
Well, we limited out by 650 this morning. I think.
Epic.
Unbelievable hunt. Muck got a banded bird.
Yeah, first one ever.
This is the first time you've been on a limit hunt, hey?
Well, I've been on lots of hunts, but that's the first time we've got a 4-man limit and first time I ever got a banded bird, so yeah.
Yeah, that was phenomenal. Boys did good calling, good shooting.
Unreal morning. Yeah, it doesn't get any better than this.
It was
Can't beat it.
Yeah.
literally raining birds. It was crazy.
5x5 bull elk
Yeah.
last night. 4 Ross.
Yeah.
Albino Canada, banded bird. All done by 6:45 a.m.
Yeah.
You
Fresh
can't
elk
beat that.
tenderloin for a bedtime snack. Get up in the morning and come out and get to do this is pretty darn awesome, fellas. Pretty darn awesome.
Scout until 1 a.m. Up at 4:30 a.m.
It was great.
Yeah.
Can't ask for a better hunt.
Yeah.
Right on.
Unreal.
Well, thanks for watching, guys, and hope you enjoy it.
Good shooting, Dick.